Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not eligible problem on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you've encountered such an error and got blocked from creating your account, there may be a couple of reasons for that to happen. The first thing is that you might be underage. There is an age limit to whoever can join TikTok. It might not sound fair to most of you out there, but this is done for security reasons. Keep in mind that only users who are 13 years old and above are eligible for TikTok. In some countries, the age limit is higher. Another reason can be because you're having issues with your account creation. You might be at the right age to create TikTok, but still, you are not eligible. In order to fix this issue, the first thing to note down is that you have to beat the right age. If your current age is under the required age, you must wait for several years before you can join TikTok without restrictions. Then you can go ahead and clear your TikTok app cache on your Android phone. Press and hold the application from your app drawer and tap on App Info. Navigate through the options and tap on Storage. Now from this page, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left corner as well. From the pop-up, tap on OK, and doing this will delete all your file settings, accounts, and databases permanently. Now go ahead and restart your Android device, and once you do that, try creating a new TikTok account. This time, make sure to type in the correct age, which is required by TikTok. That is the only way you can fix the TikTok not eligible problem. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.